Yo, what's up guys? Today I will be reviewing clubkicks.ru. They have sent me the off-white Jordan 4s and I will be unboxing them. As you can see, the box is looking spot on, as well as the tags on the side. I don't really care about the box, so let's just open it. Wrapping paper does look good with the off-white text on it. I have already laced these because I wanted to see how they look. You also get a tag with the fillable text on it. You also get the 3 spare laces. Now let's get on to the shoes because nobody cares about the box. As you can see, these are spot on with the air tag on here. The suede does move. They even got the little details from the fraying. As well as on the tongue tag, they also have the fraying. Now, of course, the back tab does pop up, just as it needs to be. And the netting is slanted and it's separated from the netting. The text on the inside does look good to me. I don't really know because I'm not a professional legit checker. As you can see, the text on the bottom also looks good. I rate them a 10 out of 10. They are very good and they have a very good service. Please check them out in the link in the description, as well as use code Tommy for $20 off. Let me know what shoes I should rate next and I will see you guys in the next video.